guys, we're back, another Lady Savage video, and today we're updating you guys on my powerlifting journey. So we are very, very close to my meet day. I'm super stinking excited. A couple weeks back, we had Joe Davis out. Joe is one of our good friends. He's been Robert's client. He does powerlifting and strongman and bodybuilding, all different kinds of things. My coach, she is absolutely amazing. She's actually going to be speaking the weekend of my meet. She's going to be speaking at a conference the weekend of my meet, so she's not able to make it. So Joe is going to be my handler for my meet. So Joe came down a couple weeks ago. We went over every lift, so squat, bench, deadlift, and then we kind of went over some form and things like that. My coach is amazing, but there's just some things that you can't do when you're not hands-on, and she lives in Washington State. I live in Arkansas, so we couldn't really meet there during my training. So it was really convenient to have Joe here, really just helping me critique a couple of different things. He really helped me a lot with my setup on squats. It's changed my whole get up. It's been absolutely amazing. So we changed my squat form, or my setup form. We went over some of the cues that are like for the bench is like probably the most specific. So we went over the cues for bench, which was awesome. And then deadlifts is probably one of the easier lifts to do. So we did go through that. He helped me with a couple things like tucking my chin and things like that. But it's been awesome. I've been absolutely loving the whole process of doing the training for this. I feel like, we'll see after my meet how I feel, but I feel like this is gonna be something that I stick to for a little while at least. But I'm so stoked. I'm really anxious and nervous and excited and all the things about the meet. I just now finished, I'm sweaty and hot and gross, but I just finished my last heavy workout before my meet, and we went and did my first attempt weights and my second attempt weights, and I'm just feeling freaking on fire. I cannot wait. I'm just hoping the nerves don't get to me too bad on the meet day. But other than that, I feel like a rock star, like I'm ready to attack this meet. So I'm excited just as a personal goal to put myself out there, do something uncomfortable, and that's it. So that's my little update for you guys, eating lots and lots of food. I lost like 8 pounds in the last like month or so, the month prior. So like the last couple weeks, I've been eating 3,000, 3,200 calories just to try to gain a little bit of weight back. So that's been a thing. I'm at a perfect weight now. We're solid, we're ready to go. Like everything just really came together. So I'm super excited. We'll do a video. We're gonna film some stuff on meet day, and we'll upload that after my meet. I can't wait to share it with you guys, and we'll talk to you later.